Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video I have a Tods unboxing with you guys. Dun, 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 dun. A little bit of story about Tods. If you guys don't know, I'm a huge Tods fan. I feel like the brand is so up my street. They do amazing high quality shoes, and they also do ready to wear as well. And the ready to wear is not a lot, it's more limited. However, so up my street, so loving it, and whatever collection they're doing, and I'm a huge fan of their footwear. I feel like this is now my third pair of Tods. My first pair was my black leather loafers. Second one, again, my black leather derby shoes, and these are my first ever, I don't want to get the name wrong, I always forget the name of these. These are called the Gommino. I'm gonna put the name in here. Drivers. These are my first ever drivers, Gommino drivers. And if you guys don't know, Tods is known for the Gommino drivers. They have them in a bunch of different colors. I feel like the brand really kick-started with the drivers and Gommino drivers. And I had to get my pair. I really had to get the pair for summer. I'm just kind of manifesting myself to summer holidays, so hence why I got these pair of shoes. So without any more further rambling, let's just open it up together. Obviously I've already opened it, but I want to show you guys the real deal. Oops, this is the receipt, which I'm gonna get into it in a second. So when you open it up, you get a dust bag. I don't know if I had one or two. I think this is just one dust bag that you get. The Tods dust bags are very lovely, high quality cotton, and it's perfect for traveling, or you can use it for something else. So I got a bunch of those actually at home. Because I'm holding this, the light goes in and out, so sorry about that. Pause this video and let you guys know what color I got in these. If you guys know me, I am more like a classic, more kind of subtle kind of person. So yeah, do let me know what color I got, and let me just open them up. Dun, 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 dun. Here we are. These are my first ever Tods Gommino drivers. Let me just remove the packaging, and these are the colors I got. Look how stunning they look. Very classic, very simple, but yet very Tods. I absolutely love them. They look so lovely, you guys. I love them. What I like about these shoes is the simplicity. They look very simple, so also you can style them up, style them down. You can wear them with black denim jeans, with a t-shirt. You can wear like formal trousers. You can wear those kind of light linen trousers with a nice shirt tucked in. You know, the styles are endless with these. Because they're very kind of classic kind of shape, they go with everything. These are actually, what is it called? These are the nubuck leather. Nubuck is more like a suede kind of leather. So the leather of these, you guys can see, is very like soft. So I have to be very delicate with these because, I'm not gonna lie, I do destroy my shoes quite a bit. I have to get those kind of suede spray that they sell. You just spray them on and then they're all nice and protected. Let me get out this second pair of these. There we go. These are both of these pairs, and look how lovely and nice they look. I'm so pleased with them. I could have gone with a more brighter color, but knowing me, I don't really wear bright colors as much. I can wear maybe like a bright top or like a bright bottom, but I like to go neutral with the shoes because I like to wear them so that it could last me a bit longer. Because if I get like a colorful pair of shoes, I wear them once or twice, and then the third time, fourth time, I'm like, you know what, I'm done with these, and they don't go at all with any out of my outfits. However, with these, I can wear them. So a bit more in the details. In here you have the Tods logo at the front. You always have the Tods logo in here. Classic kind of strap that goes along in here, and the main kind of highlight of these loafers are the sole. The sole got these rubber thingies, kind of rubber, what do you even call these, kind of stoppers, they obviously protect you not slipping on the ground on like a flat kind of slippery surface, hence why these kind of got this rubber. And also when you wear them, it feels like you're walking on a piece of kind of rubber, so it's very supportive in terms of the walking, so it's very comfortable. These shoes are so comfortable. They're like literally 10 out of 10 in terms of comfort, in terms of design, 10 out of 10. So they're very comfortable. The rubber goes all the way at the back as well, and all the way here at the front, and also you got the Tods logo in here as well as the Tods logo here embossed inside the insole as well. So everything is leather, the soles are leather, and I don't know if you can take this off. Yes, you can take it off like this, so if you want to replace it and something like that, and you have the shoes basically like this. So you want to make sure you put it back inside. In terms of if you just want to change it and freshen up the shoe throughout the years, then you can do that as well. But changing just the insoles like that, it's very easy to put it back on, and voila, it's back inside. And yeah, again with the same other pair, you got the Tods logo in here, and the same kind of stuff at the bottom here as well. So overall, these shoes are very comfortable, very nice and lightweight, and these are called taupe. The color is taupe, so it's more like a, I would say like a ashy brown. From far away it actually looks like gray. If you come close, it's more this kind of brownish, ashy, kind of taupe-ish color. So it's very unique in terms of the color way. And as I said, you guys, I'm so in love with these. The color is so lovely as well. And should I wear them right now? I mean, I'm not wearing any socks. In terms of socks, you guys, you have to make sure that, well, you can wear those invisible socks, but you can even wear normal socks. I mean, if you're wearing jeans, then it's not a big of a deal. So you can wear all type of socks with these. So I'm just gonna get my feet inside in them, because not gonna lie, my feet are swollen at the moment because it's quite hot in here. But yeah, you guys, can't believe I'm showing you shoes like this, but look how amazing they look like this. And yeah, so comfortable, so lovely. So you can wear socks, like invisible socks, and even the kind of normal socks as well. So they are literally perfect with every type of socks. In terms of the price point, let me check how much it was on the receipt. So these shoes, I paid for them is £340. So £340 are normally the price points of these loafers. It's the standard price that you can get these loafers. And to be honest, you guys, obviously it's more on the pricier side, it's more on the high-end luxury designer brands kind of price points. So £340 are the pair of loafers. You can definitely get Tods in Besta Village, or just wait for the sales, because sometimes they go on sale as well. But I got mine just recently and I absolutely love them, and I cannot wait to wear them and style them. So definitely follow me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger, where you will be definitely seeing me first styling and wearing these Tods loafers. And is there anything else I've missed out? I mean, you guys, no, there's nothing else I have missed out in these. I'm super happy that I got these, and I'm pretty sure I will love them. And I'm so happy actually to kind of build my Tods Gommino Loafer collection, because I am a huge fan of the brand and I cannot wait to get more colors in these. And also, oh yeah, I'm a size 8. I'm a size 8 in these, and they fit me absolutely comfortable and absolutely perfect. So yeah, I'm a size 8 in these, and if you guys are also the same kind of shoe size like me, definitely go for your standard size. They sometimes do like half sizes in some certain designs, but I feel like just go with the standard size, and I'm size 8 and it fits me perfectly, because it's like nubuck suede leather. It will stretch at some point, so you don't want to get like a bigger size and then it stretches, then the shoes are a bit bigger than you, because sometimes you might not wear any socks. So if you have a big size, it might slip out of your feet. So bear that in mind, just go with the standard usual size that I have, which is size 8. And with this, I'm gonna conclude this video in here. So I hope you guys found this video all kind of informative and kind of liked it, me watching me unboxing this Tods Gommino Loafers. Please correct me in the comments if I'm pronounced correctly. Is it Gommino? Is it Gommino? Honestly, I don't really know this kind of Italian name. So hope you guys all liked it. And as I said, follow me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger. And also follow me on TikTok as well. If you guys don't know it, I also have TikTok. And yeah, I'll be more active there as well, so I need to be active literally in every single social platform, which is quite challenging, you guys, but I'm gonna do it. But yeah, YouTube is my main kind of priority as well. So I have nothing else to say, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.